Hi, if you are applying for Hamad bin Khalifa University Qatar scholarship for Masters and PhD, but you are little bit confused about CV template, then this video is for you. Assalamualaikum and hello to everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Accelerate to Achieve. I hope you all are doing well and safe. I am Sultan Sheikh. In this video, I am going to talk about what template of CV you should use for Hamad bin Khalifa University Qatar scholarships. So let's get started. My dear friends, when you are applying for any scholarship or a job, then you should read the guidelines given in the advertisement. For instance, as you are applying for Hamad bin Khalifa University Qatar, then you should read the instructions about CV template given on their website. If you can see on my screen, there are certain instructions given on the website, but they didn't mention any particular template for CV or resume. There are thousands of templates, but you should use a template in which all those components are there as mentioned on their website. You can use the Europass CV template, or you can use any template which is simple and contains all those components which is mentioned on the website. For your ease, I already uploaded one template which is created by me, and if you go to the Accelerate to Achieve on YouTube and then community post, you can see this link as you can see on your screen. Once you open this link, you will find the template of CV. You can use this template, or you can use any simple template which does not contain color or table. So if you like this template, you can use it, or if you want to modify this template, you can modify it as well. So that's it. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment box below. Thank you so much. Take care. See you in the next video.